Hello friends, today I am going to show you the TP-Link Deco M5. So as you can see here, this is a Wi-Fi direct zone killer, connects over 100 devices, enhanced dual band speeds, full gigabit Ethernet ports, and it can cover up to 3800 square feet, ideal for 2 to 4 bedroom houses. On the left side of the box, you can see it is mentioned as whole home mesh Wi-Fi system AC 1300 Deco M5. 1300 means wireless 400 Mbps on 2.4 GHz and 867 Mbps on 5 GHz bands. So in that way, if you total it, it will come around 1300 AC 1300. So AC means it is Wi-Fi 5 and it has 2 gigabit ports per deco. Okay, functionality with IPv6 version is also available, Bluetooth 4.2, access point mode, guest network, MIMO is supported, optional Ethernet backhaul is also supported, and the setup is very easy. Just scan this QR and install that app and you are all gone through. Okay, let's see on the right side of the box, Wi-Fi red zone killer, just more marketing stuff. And on the back, as you can see here, it is mentioned how you can set up your deco. As you can see on the right hand side, the internet is coming to that house, and on the left hand side another deco is kept, and the whole home has been covered with the Wi-Fi is the bluish green round circles. Also it comes with an TP-Link home care antivirus built in to the router, and I think that is free of cost or paid, that we will know while we set this up. Now we need to unbox this. So as you can see here, this device has 3 years of warranty here. As you can see, 3 years of warranty here, and within these 3 years you can get a full replacement if anything happens to the router. So let's open this up. So now we can open this box from any side, from left or right, it doesn't matter. We will go with this side and we will just open this up in this way. As you can see here, this is the box, and I think we have to pull it out. So as you can see here, now I'm pulling the stuff out of here. Yes, it's coming out. Okay, it came out. So in here again, I think we have to take this, okay, in this way it opens. Wow, the packaging is really nice. The presentation of TP-Link are really good. So these are the 2 decos. As you can see here, this is the first deco, and this is the second deco. So I think this is the version 2, because the version 1 had a USB-C port. No, this is the version 3. Here you can see, my friends, this is the Deco M5 V3. This is the version 3. So this is the version 3. So version 3 are coming with the normal charging port. Earlier it has a USB-C port. It had a USB-C port. That one I think deserved the thing, man. This, it's okay, but they should have considered about that. So let's take this both out and check what we get in the box. So basically this is also a paper. Okay. Wow. So in the box you can see we are getting one Ethernet cable and one quick installation guide and two power adapters for both the Decos. So let's take that out and check it. Yes, these are the two power adapters that we are getting inside this box. So it's a bit tight. Okay, yes, you can see this is the power adapter. So nothing else inside the box, I suppose. No, nothing else inside the box. Let me keep this all side. Okay, so in one box we are getting one Deco, two Decos, two power adapters. Let me get the other one too. So this is the another power Deco, one user guide, installation guide, and one Ethernet cable. So these are the things that we are getting in the TP-Link Deco M5. So if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel, and this, as usual, I will be making 3 parts of this particular device. First part will be about the device unboxing. Second part will be doing the installation, and third, my friends, it will be the speed test. So do subscribe my channel. Stay safe. Bye bye.